Now next example. Here, so what is the second? Here multiplication of 5 and 6 digit numbers by a single digit number. By a single digit number. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 digits we have to multiply with 8. Here how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits, so we are multiplying with a single digit. It is very easy, only a single digit number is given. So then see how to do. Here 74,392, this we have to multiply with 8. Then how to multiply? First only one number is there, so with one number we can multiply very easy. So then 8 twos are 16, 16 means 6 ones and 1 10. 8 nines are 72, 72 and carry over 1 here, so that we have to add. So 8 nines are 72, 73, 73 tens means 3 tens, 7 in hundreds, carry over on hundreds place. Now 8 threes are 24, 24 what is carry over here? 7, 24 plus 7 we have to add. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 means 103,000. Then 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 3, 33, 34, 35. 35,000 means 5 in thousands place, 3 in 10,000s place. Carry over 3 on 10,000s place. After that 8 sevens are 56. 56 and 3, 57, 58, 59. So that 59 we have to write completely here. So why? This is the last digit. So this is our product, that is 5,95,136. This is our product. Okay. Now here how many digits we have? 3 digits, so total 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many digits we have? 6 digits. 6,25,143. So this we have to multiply with what? Multiply by 7. Then now you start your multiplication 7 with 3 first from ones place. 7 3s are 21 ones means 1 in ones place, 2 in tens, carry over 2 on tens place. Now 7 4s are 28. 28 what is carry over here? 2. 29 30. 30 tens means 0 tens, 3 hundreds. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 3 8 9 10. 10 hundreds means 0 hundreds, 1 in thousand, carry over on thousands place. 7 5s are 35 and what is carry over here? 1. This is 36. 35 plus 1 36. 36,000 means 6 is in thousands place, 3 in 10,000s place. Now 7 2s are 14 and what is carry over here? 3. That you have to add. 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 10,000 means 7 10,000s and 1 1 lakh, carry over on lakhs. 1 carry over on lakhs. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 1 43. 43 you have to take completely in your product. Why? Because this 6 is our last digit. Now what is our answer? 43,76,001. So this is our product. If 5 digit or 6 digit numerals are given, so how to add with a single digit number? This is the way to multiply. This is the way to, not addition, this is the way to multiplication. How to multiply? So this is the way to multiply 5 digits or 6 digit numeral with a single digit number. Okay. Yes, now we have to multiply 5 digit number 1 2 3 4 5 digit number with 2 digit number. Here we have to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digit number with a 2 digit number. So, our concept is multiplication of 5 and 6 digit number with a 2 digit number. Then how to multiply? So, it is also very easy. First we have to take 7 digit number, 72,159 with 64, 60. Now we have to multiply with 4 with unit place. 4 nines are 36, 6 here and 3 here. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 3 in tens place and 2 here. 4 ones are 4, 5 and 6. 6 is a single digit number, so we have to take as it is. 4 twos are 8 as it is. 4 sevens are 28, it is a 2 digit number, so last digit, so we have to take complete number. Now, so we have to multiply with 6. 6 is in tens place, so first we have to keep a 0 in unit place. Now multiply with 6. 6 nines are 54, 4 in tens place and 5 in tens place. Then 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 5 in hundreds place and 3 in hundreds place. 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 twos are 12, 12, 2 in 10,000s. 6 twos are 12 and 1 here. 1 is also in 10,000. 6 sevens are 42 plus 1, 43. Now, so this is the product of what? 72,159 with 4, and this is the product of 72,159 with 60. Now you add 6 plus 0, 6, 3 plus 4, 7, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 is here and 1 is here. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 9, 18 and 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 10, 9, 10, 11, 1 here and 1 here. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 and 4. It is 46 lakhs 18,176. What is this product? This product is 72,159 with 64. This is the product. Okay. Now students, this 6 digit number 4,79,224 with 98. See, take 6 digit given number 4,79,224 with 98. Then how to multiply? First we start multiplication from ones place. What is there in ones place? 8. So from ones place we have to multiply the given complete number. What is the given complete number? 4,79,224. This number we have to multiply with 8 first. How? 8 4s are 32, 2 in ones place, 3 in tens place. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3, 17, 18, 19. Means 9 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17 means 7 hundreds and 1 thousands. 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 1, 73. 3 in thousands place, 7 in 10,000s place. 8 9s are 72, 72, 8 7s are, 8 7s are here, not 8 9s are. 8 7s are, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 7, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. 3 in 10,000s place and 6 here. 8 4s are 32 plus 6, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38. So this is the product of 4,79,224 with 8. With 8 is over. So now we have to multiply with 9. 9 is in tens place. So first we have to keep 0 in ones place, and after that we have to start multiplication with 9. 9 fours are 36 and 3 here. 9 twos are 18, 19, 20, 21, 21 and 2 here. 9 twos are 18, 19, 20, 20 means 0 here and 2 here. 9 nines are 81, 81, 82, 83, 83, 3 here and 8 here. 9 sevens are 63, 63, 63, 8, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 71 here and 7 here. 9 fours are 36, 36 plus 7, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 43. Now add 2, 15, 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 3, 6 and 4. What is the product? For 4 crore 69 lakh 63,952. This is the product. What is the product of this? This is the 4 lakh 79,224 multiply with 90. And what is this product? 4 lakh 79,224 multiply with 98. The answer. So that is 4 lakhs 69,000 4 crore 69 lakhs 63,952. This is our product. Okay. Yes, now see here. So this is a 5-digit we have first exercise. In our first exercise, so what he is asking, find the product of the following numbers. So these are the following numbers. For these two numbers, we have to find the product of these two numbers. So what is here? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-digit number. This 5-digit number we have to multiply with a single digit number. In the same way, how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6-digit numbers. So this 6-digit number we have to multiply with a single digit number. So we have to find the product of 6-digit number with a single digit number. So then first we have to take 5-digit number 45,851. This we have to multiply with 8. It is very easy to multiply. First we start with 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones. 8 fives are 40. 40 means 0 in tens, 4 in hundreds. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 4, 68. 68 hundreds means 8 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 6, 46. 46 means 6 in thousands place, 4 in 10,000s place. 8 fours are 32 plus 4, 33, 34, 35, 36. That complete we have to write. Why? Because this one is a last digit. Then what is our answer? 3,66,808. This is our product. 5-digit number with a single digit number. What is a single digit number? 8. So we are multiplying 45,851 with 8. The same way, here how many digits are given? 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6-digit number we have to multiply with a single digit number. So very easy one. 8 lakhs 53,575. This we have to multiply with 6. Now you start your multiplication with 6 to the given number. Now 6 fives are 30 means 0 ones, 3 tens. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 3, 43, 44, 45. 5 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 4 in hundreds, 3 in thousands place. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. So 1 in 1000, 2 in 10,000. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. 32,000 is 2 in 10,000s place, 3 in lakhs place. 6 8s are 48 plus 3, 49, 50, 51. So that 51 we have to write completely. Then what is the answer here? 51 lakhs 21,450. So this is a product. Here this is a product. Okay. Now second, find the product of the following numbers. Here, how many digits are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5-digit number with a 2-digit number. Here how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number with a 2-digit number. So we have to find the product of 5 and 6. 5 and 6-digit number with 2-digit number with 2-digit numbers. Then say in example we discuss and we learn how to multiply with 5-digit number with 6-digit number. So 5-digit number, 6-digit number with 2-digit numbers. We discuss and we learn. In the same way, so again 2 sums are given in exercise. So we have to do this. Okay. 10,852. This is our number. So we have to multiply this number with 23. First we start multiplication with unit number, unit place value. What is there in unit place? 2, 3. In unit place we have 3. So we have to multiply the whole 5-digit number with 3 first. Whole 5-digit number with 3. Then how to multiply? Start with 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 ones. 3 5s are 15. 15 tens means 5 tens. 1 hundreds. Carry over on 100. 3 8s are 8. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 25 hundreds means 5 in hundreds place, 2 in thousands place, 2 carry over on thousands place. Now 3 zeros are 0, any number with 0 is 0, 0 plus 2. So any number added with 2 means the number itself. The answer is 2 here. Then 3 ones are 3. This is the multiplication with 3. Which one? 10,852. When we multiply with 8, then we get this result. Not with 8, with 3. Multiply with 3, then we get this result. Then after that, now we have to multiply with 2. 2 is in tens place, means we have to take 1 0 in unit place first. Now you start multiplication with 2 to this whole number. Then multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4. It is a single digit. 2 5s are 10. 10 means 0 in tens hundreds place and 1 is in hundreds place. Carry over on 100. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 17 in thousands place and 1 is also in thousands place. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. 2 ones are 2. So what is this? This is the product of 10,852 with 20. Why 20? Because 2 is in tens place. So that is why it is the product of 20. Now add 6 plus 0 6, 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 1 4 and 2. It is 2,49,596. What is this? This is the product of 10,852 with 23. 23. So it is a product of this. Okay, understood? Okay, students. Next one. Now next student, see here. So this is our 6-digit number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So with 53 with 2-digit number. So then first you take 9,28,547 with 53 with 53. Now you start multiplication with 3. 3 sevens are 21 and 2. 3 fours are 12, 14 and 1 here. 3 fives are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 and 1 here. 3 eights are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 5 here and 2 here. 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 2 8. 3 nines are 27, the complete number we have to take. Why? Because it is a last digit. Now we start with 5. 5 is in tens place. In unit place we keep a 0 first. So this is the product of what? 9,28,547 with 3. Now this will be the product of 9,28,547 with 50. 5 is in tens place, so that is why 50. Now you start with 5. 5 sevens are 35, 35. 5 in tens and 3 in tens also. 3 carry over on tens place. 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. 3 in hundreds place and 2 in hundreds place carry over on. 5 fives are 25, 25 plus 2, 27, 7 and carry over here. 5 eights are 40, 40 plus 2, 42, 2 and 4 here. 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 4 here and 1 here. 5 nines are 45 plus 1, 46. Now add this all. 1 plus 0, 1, 4 plus 5, 9, 6 plus 3, 9, 7 plus 5, 12, 2 here and 1 here. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 here. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 here and 1 here. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 and this 4 as it is. What is this? This is the product of 9,28,547 with 53. So what is our answer? 49,21,200 wait. This is not 49 lakhs here. 4 crore 92 lakhs 12,991. This is our product of, so this 6 digit number with a 2 digit number. What is our product? 4 crore 92 lakhs 12,991. Okay. Yes students, next third one, can you place the blocks in the correct place? Here some blocks are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can we replace that blocks here in correct place? If it can, so then we have to find the product. We have to find the product. First we have to check, so it's possible or not. So how? Here first we have to start with 5. 5 threes are 15, 15, 5 is here and 1 carry over on tens place. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1, 31, 31 carry over on tens place. 5 9 are 45, 45 plus 3, 45, 46, 47, 48. 8 means this 8. This 8 we have to replace here, 8. Here 8 will there. This will replaced. Okay. 48 means 4 carry over on thousands place. After that 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 means 4 here and 1 carry over on 10,000s place. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 1 means 1 is here. So this we have to replace here. Here 1 will come. So this is over. This we replaced. So 2 blocks we replaced here. 8. We placed in a correct place. So 8 we placed here and 2 we placed, not replaced, placed, only place. So we have to place here and here. Okay. Then next, so with 5 it is over. Now we are going to start multiply with 3. 3 is in tens place. When 3 is in tens place, we have to multiply with 3. Then first we have to keep a 0 in ones place. here we have to keep a 0 in ones place. So, this we placed over. Now, 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. So, this 9 we have to place here. This 9 we placed. Now, 3 6 are 18, 8 here and 1 on tens, carry over on 100 place. 3 9s are 27, 28, 8 and 2 here. 3 2s are 6, 7 and 8. 3 4s are 3 4s are. First you have to check again. 3 3s are first 0 here. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 and 1 here. 3 9s are 27, 28 and 2 here. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8 here. And 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 1 is here and 2. These 2 we have to place here. The 5 blocks we placed here. The 5 blocks we placed here. Now we have to add. We have to find 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 here and 1 over here. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13 and 1 carry over here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 carry over here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 and 1. This is our product. So, we have to place the given blocks in right place, and after that we have to find the product. Okay.